Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Steven here. Steven in Wilkes-barre, PA. Wilkes-barre, PA. Anyway, buddy, this video is to show everybody what my mechanic did today. This is a Chevy. Oh my God. This is a Ford F-150 that last year, unfortunately, I had a youngster. Which I'm learning now to be very weary of hiring youngsters. But anyway, this particular truck, I use it for plowing. One of the churches we got like 3 churches that we plow. One of them is in Plains with a big driveway with like a 10-foot embankment going down, and unfortunately no railings, nothing to stop you from going over. So anyway, when I hired the kid, you know, he could handle the truck, and I think a lot of people think plowing is 1, 2, 3, but it's not. There's a skill to it, okay? I've been doing it for so many years. There's a skill to it. Anyway, we had a storm, and I don't know, around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, he's calling me that he put the truck over the embankment. So not only did I pay a towing company $300 to pull the truck back out of that embankment, but he damaged the transmission. So I put it back here. This is behind my house here. Yanked the tranny out. I figured, okay, you know, I'll come across another tranny. I'll either buy one or we'll come across, because I all go to the auctions and I get I buy vehicles here and there. That went out the window. Anyway, I put the truck online a few days ago, parting it out, and I got somebody who was buying this motor for $500. So here I got my mechanic. Where is he at? There goes my mechanic, Bruce. Okay, Bruce. It took Bruce a day. It took him like, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. It got dark on him, but he did an extremely good job. Anybody who thinks pulling a motor is 1, 2, 3, they got another thing coming to them. So the motor is yanked, pulled, blase. We're gonna back up one of my trucks here. We're gonna load up the motor in the truck and then deliver it to the new owner. So here, not only am I showing you guys what my mechanic Bruce can do, I'm letting you guys know that if you guys need any kind of work on your vehicle, we have a shop. I'm paying for a shop. I'm paying for a 60 by 60 big building, 3-bay building. I have a mechanic, Bruce. So with the shop, with the mechanic, and over the years, I'm one of those fanatics that buy tools left and right, whether I need them or not. Eventually, that's just me. I love tools like toys. So again, I say, if you those who see this video and you're looking for a good mechanic, and my thing is, I'm not one to go float around. Let's say one mechanic do this, and then a couple of days later a different mechanic does this. I'm a person that one vehicle works on that vehicle all the time for the period of the duration of the ownership of the vehicle. Basically, what I'm trying to make, if you use the same mechanic all the time to do the work on your vehicle, he gets to know your vehicle as if it was his. Every mechanic works different. Every mechanic has their own little quirks, blase. So again, if you're looking for a good mechanic, one that you can grow with, okay, we offer mobile mechanic. We can do minor repairs at your location, repair, service, blase. If the repair is gigantic or requires shop tools, then we also have another. We have a tow truck that we could bring your vehicle to our shop and perform the work at our shop. So keep that in mind, those who are watching this video. Pulling motors, pulling transmissions, and your regular maintenance such as tune-ups, oil changes, brakes, you name it, we do it, okay? But that's what this video is. Just want to give my mechanic Bruce very thank you for doing a good job. I mean, I don't have to say thank you. I'm paying the son of a gun. He gets a weekly paycheck. So it's his job. But he's did a good job with this. All right, everybody. You guys have a great day. Enjoy. Today is, what is today? Wednesday. Wednesday, December 6th, I think it is. Christmas is right around the corner. So everybody have a good day. Bye.